Good evening. I'm here to present my assignment. Our last, uh, this first part is the content of the welcome message. Then we test the pseudo privileges of the admin. First, this one su dash admin, and after we get a password, we correct the password. We enter to the his or her user environment. Then we test if he or she or the admin has the sudo privileges, and we got that one. And after this one, we test if the upgrades are installed, the update, the upgrade, the ACL, the HW info, and the proc info. Okay. There are some uh, uh, there are some questions that uh, I have to answer. The man and info pages helps the administrators uh, on viewing the complete information about the and what we what or hardware to look at. What are the two modes of the V-editor? The insert mode and the command mode. I prefer the Nano editor because it is more user friendly. The, the commands are appeared below the window. And lastly, why the environment and user variables are important because it shows the excuse, excuse, it shows the current user and its current directory that is using. Thank you.